was summer of 2020, a year of pandemic. People are cautious to go to crowded areas, so we are. But we, together with our girls, wanted to have a quick escape and breathe even for a minute. My husband is always patient to drive his girls to somewhere. We actually love this scene, the giggles over funny stories and appa's anics.
카누 타러 가는 거예요.
카누는 몇 명이 탈 수 있어?
카누는 4명까지 탈 수 있는데 200kg이 넘으면 안 돼요.
나는 200kg 안 넘었는데
혹시 모르지 엄마 때문에 넘어갈 수가 있잖아.
야, 너 왜 대매야?
어?
너무 하는 거 아니야?
예린아, 엄마 때문에 200kg가 넘어가지 않을까? 응?
얘네는 200kg 안 되는
My husband searched and thought of a safe place where there are few people around. And there, we decided to have a day trip to one of our favorite places to go, Chuncheon. It's well known as a lakeside city. It's a romantic travel spot. The city is just a short 1-hour ride on the ITX-Cheongchun Train from Cheongnyangni Station in Seoul. It is around 100 kilometers away from the capital, practically an hour drive from Seoul. Chuncheon holds the lovely meaning of a stream that flows when spring comes, but it is also beautiful when visited in fall. There are a lot to see and a lot to do in Chuncheon. Our first stop was at Lakeside. Many tourists come here seeking a canoe experience after the place was introduced on popular Korean TV shows like 2 Days, 1 Night and Running Man. Several courses are offered at Lakeside such as the Skywalk course, Bugungsum Island course, and Cheongdusum Island course. The Bugungsum Island course, the most popular course, offers beautiful scenery of Uyambo Lake and takes 1 hour and 30 minutes to complete. Upon arriving, there was an orientation for the safety rules, do's and don'ts especially for the kids. Then, they let us choose our canoe, gave us our paddles, and rode on the canoe excitedly and started the fun.
Come on, groove it on. That's it, baby.
자, 왼쪽 빨리 쳐서.
I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey,
아니 아무도
let's take it real slow.
왼쪽 빨리 쳐서 왼쪽.
You know we got what you
오른쪽,
need,
오른쪽.
baby. So take it real long.
오른쪽 쳐서 오른쪽.
I said we got what you need, honey.
아니,
Come
나도
move
열심히
along.
잡고 있잖아. 빨리.
Come on.
오른쪽 쳐서 오른쪽.
On the highway.
왼쪽. 또 오른쪽.
Come on.
오른쪽.
And move along.
오른쪽.
Said,
오른쪽 쳐서 그래.
I said,
At first, I struggled to keep up, especially on rougher water. But in time, my strength, ability, and confidence grew.
I'm so tired
I didn't
because
know
Appa
that
let
I
me
did most of the job for us to move, but it was alright. I was able to burn my less needed calories. It was a fun ride indeed. The girls and I created another wonderful memories in that lake. I highly recommend this activity with your family with these 3 reasons. Yes, in a day and age where there is pandemic and everyone is connected, sometimes it's best to disconnect and get back to nature. If you love the water, canoeing is the best way to experience it. You're about a foot above the water as you paddle, taking in the sights and sighing as the cool breeze hits your face. In fact, some researchers claim that the therapeutic good feelings we get from canoeing in the wilderness helps us recover from the mental fatigue of the typical work week. Sounds good to us. Yes, your family will enjoy a close bond through adventure, relaxation, and stress-free enjoyment. Not to mention the great stories you'll all have to share together later. Yes, while you're out having fun, you and your family are getting much needed exercise. A win-win. How much exercise? Well, the average person can burn up to 400 calories in an hour by paddling. A family that works together stays together. So why not enjoy the outdoors and have a blast while doing it?
우리의 고향
우리의 고향
달려라 코난
달려라 코난
미래소년 코난
미래소년 코난
우리들의 코난
우리들의